Wanted to provide a quick summary review of this AC/DC adapter, and as you can see here, it's model DMD2410. And I think probably the most important thing to note here is you've got approximately 3 direct current, 3-volt direct current through 24-volt direct current, and note that you're looking at 100 to 1,000 milliamps. So this is only a 1 amp total adapter, and that's pretty important to know if you're going to be using this for things that are going to require more than that. I've already had issue with I've tried using this with some LED lighting. These are strip lights, both 12 and 24 volt strip lights, and it didn't take long for me to tap out that 1,000 milliamps, and so they would just start blinking. Otherwise, it works great. I can see if I can. I've got this set. One of my phone's making it kind of odd, just past 5 volts, which is the standard USB voltage. And what you end up with here is this is the size of just this is the pin size that it comes with default, and then you get these little adapters that work with this. What surprised me is that both some of my LED lighting, both the 12 and the 24 volt, use this size out of the box, but it does come with lots of adapters for you to use with various things. So as far as the voltage control right here on this knob, I found that if I dial it to something else, like if I want to go to 12 for example, what I've learned is that you kind of have to get just below what you think you want and then probably step away. Sometimes it jumps back up. It's pretty touchy to get, like, if you really feel like you want to be precise. But with most direct current devices, if you get within 5 to 10%, from my experience, you have no issues. But nevertheless, it does work great as far as the voltage control. It's pretty light, so it doesn't tell me there's a lot of heavy, high-quality components inside, but it's only 1,000 milliamps, so it's not meant to drive or be a high-power device anyway. So a lot of flexibility, lots of adapters, and it does work, and I recommend it.